In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely delete a credit card account in QuickBooks Online. Managing your finances with QuickBooks Online is all about keeping your records clean and up to date, and sometimes that means removing accounts that you no longer use. Whether you're doing some regular housekeeping or closing accounts you no longer need, it's important to know how to do this correctly. So, let's dive right in. First, I want you to navigate to the left panel of your QuickBooks dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of options designed to help you manage your finances effectively. Go ahead and click on Transactions. This is where you can access all the different financial elements that QuickBooks helps you keep track of. As soon as you're in the Transactions section, look for the tab labeled Chart of Accounts. Think of the chart of accounts as a detailed map of all your company's accounts. This is where you can find the comprehensive list of all your financial accounts, including your credit card accounts. Once you're in, you'll need to scroll through until you find the specific credit card account that you want to delete. Now, you should already have your credit card account in view. To the right of the account name, you'll notice a small caret icon. This caret is crucial because it gives you access to a drop-down menu where you can manage the active status of your accounts. So go ahead and click on the caret icon. Doing this will reveal a few different actions you can take concerning this particular account. Among these options, you will see the choice labeled Make Inactive. By selecting this, you're essentially removing the account from your active list without permanently deleting its historical data. This is a useful feature because making an account inactive is a safer way to ensure that it doesn't appear active in your financial system anymore, while still allowing you to access its past records if ever needed for auditing or reference purposes. And there you go. By clicking Make Inactive, you've effectively deleted the credit card account from your active list in QuickBooks Online. This process helps keep your financial records tidy and accurate, so you're always working with the most current and relevant information. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you've maintained the integrity of your financial records without permanently deleting any valuable financial history. It's always a good idea to periodically review your chart of accounts to ensure they best reflect your business's current financial situation. Happy bookkeeping, and see you in the next tutorial.